Hi, this is AJ. Welcome to the Point of View stories for Taoism. Same story, but this time we start with since last year. Since last year, Taoism has wanted to fight a gorilla. She has wanted to fight a gorilla starting last year until recently. Taoism has wanted to fight a gorilla since last year. In fact, every day since last year, she has contemplated her goal. Starting last year, she started to contemplate, and then every day, she has contemplated her goal every day since last year. What has she contemplated? She has contemplated her goal. Her goal of fighting a gorilla. Because she has wanted to fight a gorilla, for 1 year. Since last year. But of course, every time she has contemplated fighting a gorilla, she has realized that gorillas have brute strength. She has realized every time that they are hard to fight. And so, every day since last year, she has gone to the gym. Every day since last year, she has gone to the gym. And she has strained to lift weights. She's tried very hard to lift weights. Every day she has strained to lift weights. Every day she has worked out, exercised. Every day she has gotten stronger and stronger and stronger since last year. So, she has wanted to fight a gorilla. She has contemplated fighting a gorilla. She has gone to the gym. She has exercised. She has strained to lift weights every day since last year. Until finally, she was ready. One day she said, "I'm ready. I will proceed with my plan." And she did. She proceeded with her plan. She flew to Africa. In Africa, she saw a big, strong, huge gorilla. But there was a problem. The gorilla had such a cute little baby. Oh no. Taoism visualized the baby crying. She imagined the baby crying. And so Taoism took the baby into consideration. She thought about the baby. And Taoism decided not to fight the gorilla. Instead, she played basketball with the gorilla and the gorilla baby. And everybody was very happy. Okay, that's all. That's the end of our first mini story. Again, you probably noticed there was a change in there. Actually, a couple little changes. You may have noticed that. Don't worry about that. Just listen. Listen and understand. That's all you need to do. Do not think about. Do not analyze. Just listen. Understand the meaning, the general meaning. That's all you need to do. Next one, into the future. So, next year, there will be this girl Taoism who will want to fight a gorilla. She's gonna want to fight a gorilla. Well, first, she's going to contemplate her goal. She'll think about it calmly, quietly. She'll contemplate her goal of fighting the gorilla, and she'll realize something. She'll realize that gorillas have brute strength. Gorillas are not weak. They have brute strength. She'll realize this. She'll realize gorillas are very hard to fight. And so, Tomoe's going to go to the gym every day to get stronger. She'll strain hard to lift weights. She'll strain and she'll strain every day, lifting weights, getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Finally, one day, she'll be ready. She will proceed with her plan. She'll fly to Africa. But when she gets to Africa, she'll have a problem. Yes, she's going to see a huge, big, strong gorilla. But the gorilla will have a cute little baby. Tomoe will visualize the little baby crying. She'll imagine the baby crying. Tomoe will take the baby into consideration. She's going to think about the baby. And she'll decide not to fight the gorilla. So, of course, obviously, she'll decide instead to play basketball with the gorilla and the baby. And everybody will be very, very happy. That is the end of the point of view stories for Taoism. Listen to this every day. Listen to the mini story every day. Listen to the main audio every day for 1 week at least. More is fine, but at least 1 week. And always, every time you are listening to English, you have to have a peak emotional state. So you got to jump, you got to smile, you got to move your body, shoulders back. Breathe. Feel great. Strong positive emotions. Connect them to English. You'll learn much, much faster. See you next time. Bye-bye.